As you can see, this thing is tiny. I'm gonna throw a Roku remote to it just to show you the scale of this thing, but yeah, it is very small. It does put out a decent amount of vapor, but the problem ends up being that it needs refilled constantly. So I keep mine in the corner here, and you are able to just pop that out. That's how you refill it. And then once I put some more water on it, just pop it back on there, turn it on. I'd say overall, it does what I expect it to, but having to refill it daily is a bit annoying.
That's at a max humidity. And this is at, let's see, like minimum humidity. Then you can just turn it off from there. But yeah, really nice.